In 2007, a modest idea sparked a global movement. It began when Nicholas Stenek, a consultant with the U.S. Office of Research Integrity, ORI, proposed a joint U.S.-European conference to address growing concerns about research misconduct. With support from the European Science Foundation and the ORI, the first World Conference on Research Integrity was held in Lisbon, Portugal, drawing 275 participants from 47 countries. What started as a transatlantic dialogue quickly evolved into a global forum. From Singapore to Montreal, Rio de Janeiro to Cape Town, each conference expanded its reach, bringing together scientists, policymakers, funders, and publishers from both the global north and south. The purpose: building a culture of responsible research. The WCRI was born out of necessity to respond not just to scandals, but to the systemic challenges that threaten the credibility of science. Its mission is clear: promote responsible conduct of research across disciplines and borders. Each conference is hosted on a different continent, ensuring diverse representation and inclusion, from early career researchers to indigenous knowledge holders. Prompts that shape global policy. The WCRI has produced landmark statements that guide research ethics worldwide. Statement Year, Location, Focus. Singapore, Statement 2010, Singapore, Principles of Responsible Research Conduct. Montreal Statement 2013, Canada Cross-Boundary Research Collaboration. Amsterdam Agenda 2017, Netherlands, Institutional Responsibilities. Hong Kong Principles 2019, Hong Kong Incentives for Responsible Research. Cape Town Statement 2022, South Africa, Equity and Fairness in Research Integrity. These documents are now referenced by universities, journals, and funding agencies across the globe. Impact: bridging the global South and North. The WCRI has become a catalyst for change, especially in regions where research infrastructure is still developing. In the global South, it has empowered institutions to adopt integrity frameworks, amplified voices from underrepresented communities, encouraged ethical engagement with indigenous knowledge systems. In the global North, it has challenged incentive structures that reward quantity over quality, promoted transparency in data sharing and peer review, addressed emerging threats like AI-generated fraud and research security. Together, these efforts are reshaping the global research landscape. A call to the scientific community as the world prepares for the 9th World Conference on Research Integrity, set to take place in Vancouver, Canada, from May 3rd to 6th, 2026. The call is louder than ever. To every scientist, scholar, and student, whether in Lagos or London, Delhi or Denver, your voice matters. Join the conversation, shape the future, uphold research integrity.